In this video, I will show you how to create interactions for the tour dates section of the website. An interaction is essentially an animation or effect triggered by a specific action. In this case, the trigger will be a mouse hover, and the effect will change the background of both the tour information and the Get Tickets section. The first thing to do is make sure the class tour link is accessible. Select the tour link class. On the right of the screen, click Interactions. Under Element Trigger, click the plus icon. In the drop-down menu, we have options available to choose an interaction trigger. In this case, we will choose Mouse Hover. After clicking Mouse Hover, you will see this menu. Under Trigger Settings, uncheck the tablet and phone options. The reason why is because this interaction only works well on desktop. In the On Hover settings, click the drop-down window, then click Start an Animation. Click the plus icon near Timed Animation. In this menu, name the animation Table BG, BG meaning background color. Click the plus icon near Actions and select BG color. If you notice that the tour link class is selected in the Action section, it indicates that the animation will affect this class. Make sure Effect is set to Interaction Trigger and Set as Initial State is unchecked. Under Background, select Blue. Click Save. Make sure Loop is unchecked. To see the animation in action, click Preview. To stop the preview, click Preview again. We just set the hover animation to change the color to blue, but if you hover away, the color will not change back. This is where we set the hover out interaction. With the same interaction window open, click the drop-down window under On Hover Out and click Start an Animation. If you notice, we have a list of animations already made. Select the three dots next to Table BG and select Duplicate. Duplicating an animation is great for creating the reverse effect and saves time. Click the three dots next to Table BG animation and click Rename and name the animation Table BG Reverse. Click on Table BG Reverse to change its settings. Under Background, click the color blue and click Unlink from Variable Icon. Click the color again, set the opacity to invisible, then click away from the color window. Click Save. Click the preview icon to see the animation. As you can see, the color changes when the mouse hovers. This can make table reading easier and more engaging for the viewer. Now that we set the animation for the link block, let's work on the Get Tickets section. The effect is simply adding a red background on mouse hover. Select Get Tickets in the tour table on the canvas. If you notice on the Elements panel, the tour text class is selected. This specific tour text is not related to any data on the CMS, but it still serves as a call to action. Click the Style tab. In the Style selector, click the text box next to the tour text. You'll notice a new combo class window, which allows you to add slight variations to the tour text. When you see this, you can type Get Tickets and press Enter. You now have a combo class. To learn more about combo classes, click the link in the description. Now that the combo class is set, click the class Tour Link and click Interactions. Select the mouse hover interactions we made earlier. Under On Hover, select the three dots next to Table BG and select Configure. Click the Get Tickets area of the table, then the plus icon in the Interactions window. Select BG Color. If you notice the class is set to TourText with the combo class, this means it will only affect the Get Tickets area of the table. Set the background to red and click Save. Under On Hover Out, select the three dots next to Table BG Reverse and select Configure. Click the Get Tickets area of the table, then the plus icon in the Interactions window. Select BG Color. Set the color to transparent. Click Save. Make sure both Hover On and Out does not have Loop enabled. Click Preview. Both the background of the table and Get Tickets will change color. If you notice the default timing for the color to change is rather slow, 5 seconds to be exact, we can change the rate of speed in the Interactions settings. Make sure Tour Link is selected and go to the Interactions tab. Select the three dots next to Table BG and select Configure. Both Tour Link and Tour Text have the animation duration of 5 seconds. Set the duration of Tour Link to 0.2 seconds and press Enter. Repeat the process for Tour Text. Click Save. Repeat the same process with the Hover Out animation. Now preview the animation. While the entire link block directs users to Ticketmaster, styling Get Tickets as a call to action helps the viewer easily identify where to click. If you notice the corners of the Get Tickets button, they are sharp. We can round out the background to make it look nice. Click on Get Tickets in the Tour table. Make sure the Style tab is selected. Scroll down to Borders. Make sure All Corners is selected and set the corners to 10 pixels and press Enter. Set the padding to 10 pixels on the left and right. Now press Preview and see the renewed button.